The next morning, Ali softly said, "Grandpa, you promised, remember? You said you'd teach me the Quran with meaning?" Grandpa smiled lovingly. "Of course, my dear. From today, we'll learn every day. Come, sit beside me." Ali: "Grandpa, how is the Quran revealed?" Grandpa: "Son, the Quran is the word of Allah. Allah sent it through his angel Gabriel, little by little, over 23 years, to our beloved Prophet Muhammad." Ali curiously: "Angels? What are they like?" Grandpa gently: "Son, angels are light-based creations of Allah. He made them from his divine light. They always obey Allah's commands. They never disobey. Each angel has a unique role. For example, Jibril's duty was to deliver Allah's messages to the prophets." Ali: "Who are prophets?" Grandpa: "Prophets are special human beings chosen by Allah to guide his creation. Allah sent 124,000 prophets, and 25 of them are mentioned in the Quran." Ali: "And our prophet?" Grandpa: "Our prophet, Muhammad, is the final messenger of Allah. He was sent as a guide and mercy for all mankind until the day of judgment." Ali: "Judgment Day? What is that?" Grandpa: "Son, Judgment Day means that one day this world will end. All human beings will die, and then Allah will bring everyone back to life. Everyone will be held accountable for their deeds." Ali nervously: "What will happen then?" Grandpa: "Those who believed in Allah, his angels, books, prophets, and the day of judgment, and who did good deeds, Allah will admit them to paradise. But those who denied, they will fail and be thrown into hell." Ali: "Grandpa, what is paradise like?" Grandpa: "Son, paradise is a beautiful place. There is only happiness there. Peace, light, gardens, rivers, Allah's pleasure, everything." Ali softly: "And hell?" Grandpa, after a short pause: "Hell is a painful place, full of regret, darkness, and punishment." Ali: "Grandpa, how will we know all this? How will we know what to do and what not to do?" Grandpa lovingly: "My son, everything is in the Quran. The Quran holds the answer to all your questions." Ali from the heart: "So, if I truly want to be friends with Allah, I must read the Quran with my heart?" Grandpa, with a sparkle in his eyes: "Exactly, my son. Read the Quran as if it's being revealed upon your chest. Inshallah, Allah will open your heart and fill you with the light of faith." Ali with determination: "Grandpa, I promise I will always read the Quran with my heart." Grandpa, raising his hands in prayer: "May Allah bless you, my son. May Allah grant us all the light of guidance. Ameen." The Quran is not just a book. It is a message for life, a light that shows the way to lost hearts. We taught our children the letters, but did we ever listen to their questions? We made them memorize, but did we let them understand? We taught them how to pray, but did we show them how to connect with Allah? Today, Ali asked the questions. Tomorrow, another child will ask the same. And if we don't show them the door of time, love, and the Quran, that door may close forever. So come, let's not just make the Quran a lesson. Let's make it a relationship. Don't fear your children's questions. Sit with them. Tell them the story of the Quran. Because, remember, the child who truly understands the Quran will carry a shining lamp at every turn in life.